friction is a force, and the phrase that we usually use to describe it is opposing motion. What that actually means then, it slows down moving objects. So it applies a force in the opposite direction to the direction they're moving. But the other aspect of it is it tries to prevent stationary objects from moving. Friction increases with increased speed. The faster you go, the more friction you get. And the energy conversion that takes place is it converts what we call kinetic energy, which we'll do later on. It's a technical word for movement energy. And it converts it mostly to heat. And you might get a bit of sound if you think of brakes, you sometimes get them squeaking, but mostly be producing heat. Now in some cases we don't want friction if we're deliberately trying to slow down, and in other cases when we want to go faster we want to reduce friction. So to slow an object down or stop it from moving, e.g. the brakes on a bike rub against the wheel. So when you pull the brakes, it pushes the brake pads in against the wheel. Or another example of increased friction, the grips on your shoes stop your foot from slipping. And to go faster, we try to reduce friction. E.g. designing a car with an aerodynamic shape. And another word for aerodynamic is streamlined. Or sprinters who wear tight-fitting clothes. And that would reduce drag forces in general. Now, things like air resistance, resistance if you're moving through water, fluid resistance in general, are closely linked to friction, so we apply the same sort of ideas there as well.